If you're a fan of Club MX or Coty Shock, sadly, you won't be seeing him for the rest of Supercross, at least after Birmingham, where the incident with Hayden Deegan in the last corner left him with a broken collarbone. Apparently, he went into this race with a hairline fracture in it already, and it was supposedly going to heal or was healing correctly, so there was no need to fix it until that right there. Either it was the part where he hit him or where he went over the berm and fell over. Well, it's now fully broken, and he's going to miss at least the rest of Supercross and, something like that. Who knows, by the time you get back on the bike, get actually riding, get up to race speed or race fitness. But it sucks to see, like, it's a last corner crash and everybody's going to hate Deacon for it. And it sucks for Coty, but it's one of those things, it's racing, injuries happen. And by no means am I saying that Deegan was right before everyone freaks out in comments and yells at me for being a Deegan fan or whatever, because wow, the internet is hilarious lately. But it does suck to see, it's racing for a position, at least what they thought. And who knows? In the comments below, you guys tell me though. Were you a Coty fan? Did you like Birmingham? Were you sad that they changed the track and it didn't rain, so it was kind of a boring thing? Whatever it is, are you excited with this season? You happy with this season? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.